Welcome back to another in our ongoing series of videos on getting the most out of your new turntable. Today, we're going to take a look at the all-new Hudson Hi-Fi UV Stylus Cleaner. You're not going to want to miss this. Okay, and here is the box, designed and developed in New York City, the Hudson Hi-Fi UV Stylus Cleaner. On the back of the box, it says, contents include an electronic stylus brush with 10 milliliters of stylus cleaning fluid. You're supposed to use the device together with the fluid for stylus deep cleaning. Use the brush to easily remove dust and debris from the stylus. Cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. Very cool. So you just place your stylus right there and it uses ultraviolet rays to clean your stylus. And here are the instructions and some pictures on the back. Very helpful. Love it. And let's look at the device itself. It's in here. So it does require batteries. Looks like 2 AAA batteries. It's got nice rubberized feet and felt, so it's nice and gentle. There's the button. There's where the stylus rests while it's being cleaned. Also in here is the stylus cleaning fluid, 10 milliliters, just like it said. Cool. So let's go ahead and do a quick demonstration on how to use this. Using this is very simple. You just simply place it on your turntable's platter. Make sure your turntable is off. Then take the stylus cleaning fluid and give it 1 drop. That's all it takes, right on the brush, just like that. Then, ever so carefully, lower your stylus into position right on the brush. Then simply press the button to turn it on. It only takes 5 seconds and your stylus will be completely and thoroughly cleaned. All right, that's going to do it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look at the Hudson Hi-Fi UV Stylus Cleaner. Be sure to stay tuned to more of our ongoing videos in this series to get the most out of your new turntable.